Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have this super fast anti-gravity RC racer. Let's open it up and see everything that we get inside. And this looks awesome. So let me close this box up. So, I mean, it boasts 360 spins, power, slides, side wheelie, standing, driving, anti-gravity, 360 spins. So, like, this does a lot. So we're going to find out exactly what it does completely. So here's the racer, and you can tell it's just got this awesome looking wheel configuration on it. I don't know if you can see that completely. So that's your on-off switch that's there. So this is your instruction manual. Pretty simple. So it comes with 2 chargers because it comes with 2 batteries, so you get twice the amount of fun. And it's got a neat little charger here. It doesn't come with a charging block, but you can use you know, any like a USB charging outlet, a power block from an old cell phone, like whatever you have laying around, laptop, desktop, it plugs in there. And so you just let that charge up and we'll get that battery charging. And then we have a battery compartment here, so we will get that undone. And it's got a little screw because this thing gets probably a little aggressive with play. So that is your other battery. So we are going to actually unplug this battery, since I think I charged this up before. So we'll see how that works. And then we simply swap out another battery in there. And we'll let that charge. And then to connect it, it's very simple. You just have this little connection port. And you'll see it has like a kind of like a little divot thing there. And you just plug it in. You can only plug it in one way. So we get that in there, then we'll get that battery compartment in, and then we'll get that screw back in because we're going to have some aggressive play with this. And I just dropped a screw, so definitely pay attention to your surroundings when you're putting this together. Okay, so we'll get that nice and tight in there. Like I say, here's the other charger, we'll put that in there. Dropping things like crazy today. Okay, so here's the remote. So basically it has a power switch on here for your remote, and then a power switch on the bottom. And it's kind of loud. I'm a little worried that my desk is not big enough, and you can definitely tell that it's not. Just push my one monitor out of the way. So we're going to save this, and we're going to go outside on my deck, get my grandson involved. He'll have a blast with this. So stay tuned. I didn't know it did that. Go ahead. You got all that? Here. Anyway, Brian and Aiden from Garage Hall. Thanks for watching. Be safe out there. Okay, ready? Okay.